Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. The holiday season is here, and it's time to start decorating our homes for the festive occasions ahead.
Ornamental kale are plants that will brighten up your Thanksgiving dinner table and can be planted in the yard after the holidays. Pansies also make a colorful decoration for Thanksgiving and then be planted outdoors as well.
Other colorful plants for the holidays include Christmas cactus that can be indoor plant and bloom several times a year. And don't forget about the beautiful flowers of the cyclamen that can be used indoors or as an outdoor shade plant for the winter color.
By far the most traditional of these holiday plants are the poinsettias. These eye-catching beauties will decorate most of our homes this season as they normally do.
By following a few basic rules, you can keep these beautiful plants looking great from now through the end of the year. You should keep the soil moist. Don't let them dry out completely, but don't let them stay soggy wet either. Water thoroughly and discard all the drainage. They don't like to stand in water. The kitchen sink is a good place to do your watering. And when you do, remove the foil wrap from your pot and let the water completely drain out of the pot before replacing the foil. Water again when the soil surface feels dry to the touch.
Select a place to put them that has bright, indirect natural light. The location should be free from hot or cold drafts, like vents, fans, or fireplaces. Don't display a poinsettia near the entrance of a door, since you'll be creating a draft every time it's opened. Maintain a temperature of 65 to 75 degrees during the day and no lower than 60 degrees at night.
It's best to keep your poinsettia out of the reach of small children and pets because these plants are fragile and break easily. Did you know that the colorful red parts of the poinsettia are actually leaves or bracts? And the flower is only the small yellow growth in the middle of the red bracts.
These plants also make wonderful holiday gifts. All of our poinsettias are florist quality and are available in 3 sizes for you to choose from. Stop by and check out all the beautiful holiday color that we have in our stores right now.
Look for our holiday specials at starnursery.com or on our free app.
And don't forget, Star Nursery gift cards make a great holiday gift too.
Remember, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
From all of us at Star Nursery, have a safe, happy, and colorful holiday season. I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.